Are you looking for a fun new craft to try? If so, then you're on the right video, because today I'm going to share with you why you should try needle felting. Hi everyone, and welcome to today's video, Needle Felting a New Craft, 10 reasons why you should give needle felting a try today. My name is Iceland and I'll be your fiber artist host, and on this channel, SnowflakeForest Felting, I share needle felting videos, have needle felting tutorials, and share product reviews from time to time. So if you're new and this interests you, please consider subscribing. And if you want to know more about anything you see here on this channel, be sure and check the links down in the description below this video or leave a comment. I'd love to connect with you there. And as always, if you think these videos may help someone, please share them where you can. Now let's get into today's video. So the first reason I want to share with you today is it's not hard on your body. When I got started with needle felting, I had been really into knitting and crochet, and I have a broken wrist, and that was really hard on my wrist and causing inflammation, and so I wanted something else to try. And so that's when my grandmother had suggested to try needle felting. And I couldn't have agreed with her more that it was a great craft to get into, especially if you're someone that's worried about arthritis or have any other injuries. Needle felting, you can just sit and you make sure you want to use good posture, and there will be some repetition with your hand and wrist, but it's not a lot. That's way more simple compared to wrapping yarn around a hook or a needle. Number 2, needle felting is a really easy craft to try that you don't have to have much experience in to create something cute and simple, like some home decor or possibly even little ornaments for your home. Number 3 is the startup cost is really actually fairly low. Plus you're going to need minimal supplies to get started, because all you're going to need is a foam surface or a surface protector, the wool, and some needle felting needles, and a pair of scissors to trim up your project when you're done. And you really can just give it a try with just those few of items and see if you like it before you invest into more. Making a felted heart or a little star or something simple like that is a great way to try it out, see if you like it. You'll only need the color that you want to do it in, and then if you enjoy it, you can decide to invest in more or not. And you can find lots of starter kits online that are reasonably priced. I'll be sure and link some stuff for you down below in the description, and again, you can find all these supplies there and go and check out more later too. Number 4, it's a wonderful way to be creative and test your imagination, which is really important as we age, to constantly be challenging ourselves and keeping our minds active. Number 5, the ideas and things that you can create are absolutely endless. And if you do find you like needle felting, you're going to want to start creating all types of things and all the things. Say from your favorite characters to themes to shapes. Really, you can create anything with wool. Number 6, needle felted items make excellent gifts. From kids' toys to newborn props, to home decor and ornaments, essential oil diffusers, garlands, baby mobiles. A hand-created piece is always going to mean so much more to someone than something you just went out and purchased. Number 7 is it's eco-friendly. It's wool, it's not plastic. The wool is an animal fiber, it comes from sheep. The sheep do not have to be harmed to get their wool. Most farmers shear their sheep in the summer because during the winter, that's when they grow their winter fleece. And then that coat can be turned in to the wool that you use for yarn or felting, and so many other things too. And you can make eco-friendly items like wool dryer balls, which are going to help your clothes dry faster, and you're not going to have to run your dryer as long and use as much energy. And that's because the wool is really going to help draw the moisture out of the clothing. Which brings me to number 8. You can make wool clothing. Felted hats are extremely common, and people have been making those that date back way back to the 1800s. One of the things I love is you can create little felted baby booties, or you could maybe even make felted slippers for yourself or a friend. Number 9 is it teaches you patience, which is something I believe we all could use a little more of in life, because it is going to take you some time to felt the wool and condense it down into the item you're creating. And lastly, number 10, needle felting can be really soothing and meditative. When you're working with the wool and felting your items, it gives you an opportunity to clear your mind and focus on the project at hand and not thinking about all the other distractions that we have in life. And that's it. Those are my 10 reasons why you should give needle felting a try. I hope you learned something new in today's video. If you did, please be sure and give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. Help support this channel. And if there's something you'd like to see me create next, drop it down in the comments below. I might just make it. Thank you so much for watching. As always, I'll see you in the next one. Happy felting!